Okay, in today's video I'm going to be turning this old broken slasher into the ultimate bushcraft tool. So as you can see, there's some pretty bad rust and it's still got this old broken wooden handle which I definitely need to take out. But for now, I've just chucked the wire brush in the drill. Look at this, I've just discovered some stuff. There's a picture of a hedgehog. So I've wire brushed it all. Now I'm going to see if I can pull out the handle with this pair of pliers.
A few moments later. So I need a good clean grind all the way along. So I've got the belt sander. That should get the job done. I've done a nice bevel on the edge here, and it looks pretty nice, but now I've decided I'm gonna polish the edge so that this little bevel is like a mirror. So let's see if we can polish it up with these two polishing wheels and see how it comes up. Finished the bevel. It's pretty shiny. And I actually figured out what this says. So, you can see the GoPro there. This says hedgehog, trademark, and there's a picture of a hedgehog. Oh, Cornelius, White House, and Sons. And then over here, the stamp didn't really work, so there's just a tiny bit of a letter. It says like White House and Sons or something here. And there's just an 8. Nothing on the side. So I found this piece of leather. Should be perfect for a sheath. It matches the handle quite well. So I'll cut out a template, then we'll start cutting this leather. I'm gonna make a latch for that so it can't pull out, but it could in theory still get out there. So I'm gonna chuck another button here so that there's 2 buttons, and when you want to use it, unbutton that, and you're good to go. Time to add some buttons. I'll just punch a hole. There we go, that's one. I've gone with gold this time. I don't normally go with gold. So I just had a lot of gold buttons. I thought I might as well do gold buttons. 1 button done. Leather sheath built. It's not the best, but that just goes in there. Button that up, it stays there. Button this up, and it's fully locked in. So it can't pull out in any way. Doesn't seem too bad. So if you unbutton that and unbutton that. So that's it. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Restoring this old slasher head and giving it a new handle and a nice leather sheath. It used to be quite old and rusty, but now it looks amazing. By the way, I haven't added pins because I haven't got hold of any, and I have nothing to make them out of. So in the next video, if I'm using it, I'll tell you about the pins. But in this video, I'm just not going to be able to
get it finished fully. I gave it a little test. Hopefully in the next video we do some bushcraft and I can give it a full test out, because it's pretty cool. See you in the next video.